Hi again, boys and girls. Happy Monday again and again and again, right? Hope you had a great weekend. Okay, so here's our math lesson for today. Today, this week, oh my word, this week we are starting multiplication, which is so exciting. So we won't get to do quite as much as we would have if we were in school, but you get a good start here. And so I love doing multiplication. I think it's super fun. So here, let's just hop right in and get started. So get you over to my board here. I'm going to zoom you up a little bit. Maybe I got a little too much. Okay, here we go. So here's our task analysis. So a couple of really simple rules. Any number times 0 equals 0. Number 2, any number times 1 equals the other number. Pretty easy. And then with 2, skip count by 2 using the other number. So we're going to take each one of these step by step, one at a time, so that you can see exactly how this is going to work. So our first step, any number times 0 equals 0. 2 times 0 equals 0. Because any number times 0 is 0. 0 times 5 equals, tell me, 0. Great job. We'll do, so if we had 10 times 0, what's our answer going to be? You're right, it is still going to be 0. What if I have 525 times 0? It is still going to be 0. It just doesn't matter, okay? Any number times 0 equals 0. Okay, step 2. Any number times 1 equals the other number. So if I do 2 times 1, because I have a 1 here, my answer is the other number. The answer is 2. If I have 7 times 1, because there's a 1, the answer will be the other number, which is 7. Good job. Not too hard here, is it? Great job. So let's try one more. Okay, here's tricky. Let's see if I can get really hard. What if I had 15 times 1? What would my answer be? You're right. It is 15. What if I had 1 times 27? What would my answer be? It's just 27. Exactly, because there's a 1 there. Okay, so zeros and ones are pretty easy. Now we're going to move on to 2s. So when we're working with 2s, we're really just skip counting by 2, and we're doing it the number of times that that other number is. So it's a little hard to say, but let me show you. So if I have 2 times 3, okay, we have a 2. So we're going with 2s. So we're going to skip count by 2s. Because our other number is a 3, we're going to skip count 3 times. Use your fingers. 2, 4, 6. I skip counted by 2 3 times, and my answer is 6. Okay? So let's do another one. I'm just going to change this up a little bit. Okay. So let's do another one. What if I had 5 times 2? Do I have a 2 in the problem? Yes, I do. So I'm going to skip count by 2s. What's the other number? 5. So how many times would I skip count by 2? 5 times. Exactly right. So let's do it. Get your fingers. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I did it 5 times. My answer is 10. Okay? Something else I want to show you. It doesn't matter if you're 2's on the top or on the bottom. You can still skip count by 2's by the other number. Okay? It doesn't matter if your 0 is on the top or on the bottom. Your answer will always be 0. It doesn't matter if your 1 is on the top or the bottom. Your answer will still be 0. So I want to do a couple more using 2's. So if I have 6 times 2, I know I'm going to skip count by 2's because I have a 2 in my problem. How many times will I do it? I'll do it 6 times. That's right. So get your fingers. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I've skip counted by 2 6 times. So my answer here is going to be 12. All right, let's do one more. Should we do a bigger number? How about 2 times 9? That's a pretty big number for us. So we're going to skip count by 2's. How many times? 9. Let's do it. Do it with me. Ready? Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. When we have 9 fingers up, it's time to stop. And our answer is 18. All right? So that is the beginning of multiplication. I know you're going to do some more later this week. So if you need to, you know you can always go back and watch the video again. And you can do extra problems to practice. All right. Great job for today, boys and girls. See you next time. Bye.